There's still snow on the ground, but I'm thinking gardening. That's right. I am ready to think and plan out my 2025 year gardening season. I don't know what it's going to bring this year, but I tell you, after receiving a special prize in the mail, my Vineyard Chicks t-shirt, I was so excited to get that, and it encouraged me to go ahead. Even though last year wasn't a super successful year, this year I still want to go ahead and participate in the 2025 Seed Survival Collaboration. Here's my entry video. Let's get started. My name is Angela and I am the Inquisitive Farm Wife. I live in Northeast Kansas and I grow in Zone 6A. So I need to start my seeds last week. I'm always behind, it seems. Peppers tend to take longer than tomatoes, so I really need to get my peppers in the ground and my tomatoes need to go next. And there's just kind of a list that we follow on the different things that I will plant in ground, start seeds in the house, and all these things. But let me tell you about the 6 seeds that they're going to send us. They're going to give us some red kidney beans. Hey, I have some of those from last year. My goal last year was to have these and save them so that I can have to plant in future increments. I don't think I had red kidney beans. I think mine, let me take it back. These look almost more like a pinto bean. Or maybe I actually saved my green beans. I'm not sure. Mystery beans? Maybe we should plant those and find out what I get. That could be fun. They're also going to send some Detroit red beets. I love beets, especially my grandma's pickled beet recipe. You all wanted me to make you that last year, but sadly, my beets didn't really make enough. I made beet kvass. I'll post a video for you, and you can check that out if you want with my small, meager harvest from last year. They're going to send pie pumpkins. Last year, we got butternut squash. I still have a few left from my harvest. Butternut squash are some of my favorite vegetables. Now, the beans, the beets, and the pie pumpkins, or butternut squash if I save a few seeds, all will be something that here I like to grow in ground. So when the weather warms up, probably close to May, maybe around Mother's Day, I'll get those planted in my pots or in the ground. Next, they're going to send some Roma tomatoes and bell peppers. Again, those are the things I should have started already. Onions, they have a long and a short. I'm not sure which they'll send me. I've never had much success growing onions. I'm just going to throw that out there right now. And then they said something about a 7th seed. I'm going to be completely upfront and honest. I don't quite know what they mean by that, if they're going to send a seed or if I'm supposed to pick one of my seeds and add it to the collaboration as an idea. I'm not sure. I would love a mystery seed if they're going to send me one because I like to try anything new. You know, I am the Inquisitive Farm Wife. But if you're wanting to know what vegetable I almost always grow every single year just because I love them, that's going to be green beans. So I'd like to thank our host, Vineyard Chicks Homestead, Bushcraft Family, and Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa for hosting this great collaboration. If you want more information about it, I'll put down below a link on where you can get more information on how you can join in on this initiative also. And every week they'll be having a live with guest speakers and likely some giveaways. So guys, go check it out and thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time.